it's not really a business until the IRS thinks it's a business, okay? It's time. You've been putting off starting this business for way too long, and it's time. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to start a business step by step. And girl, you know it's when you're busy trying to get your life together that he would text you. And you'll be tempted to pause this video and text him back. Don't do it, girl. It's not worth it. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end because one, I have an exciting announcement at the end of the video, and two, you can't afford to miss number 7. So if you're ready to pick up these gems, then go ahead and hit the like button because you already know it's gonna be good. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Vanessa, and on this channel we talk all things earning more and building wealth. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell because today, as always, we have a really good one. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you step by step how to start a business, and there are going to be 8 steps, and every single one of the 8 steps are important. But number 7 is specifically important because you don't want to get yourself in trouble, right? You don't want to get sued. You know, we want the coins, but we don't want the mess, all right? So make sure you don't miss any of the points. Number 1 is to identify your sellable skills and then shortlist them to pick the one that you would turn into a business. Now, I know you have a lot of ideas. They pop in your head every single day and night. Trust me, girl, I have a million ideas as well. But you need to narrow down your ideas. And a good way to do that is to ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, what do I have a lot of knowledge in, or what do I know how to do very well? 2, which of the things that I know how to do can solve someone else's problem? And 3, which of these ideas would I be excited to wake up to every morning to work on? Number 2 is to identify your target audience. I know you think everybody needs what you're selling, but come here, girl. Let me tell you something. People usually like to buy from people who they know, like, and trust, and if they see themselves in you in some way, maybe because you're a woman or you're a Black woman or you're a Christian woman, whatever it is about you that resonates with them, it makes them more likely to stick around, be a part of your audience, and also be a part of your customer base. Now, if you target people who are very different from you, but it will be more of an uphill battle. So that's why I tell y'all to show up as yourself, and your tribe would find you just the way you found me. Number 3 is to pick a name. There are 2 important things that make your business name pop. 1, it communicates the value that you provide without people thinking too hard about it. And 2, it resonates with your target audience. And that's why I talked about target audience before talking about this point. For example, I picked Launch to Wealth because it resonated with me, and I knew that it will resonate with you and other members of my tribe as well. And in fact, if you clicked on my first video because you liked the name of the channel, then let me know in the comment section. Let me test out this theory. Number 4 is to secure an online identity for your business. You don't want to put in all this hard work, uploading videos to YouTube, doing all this good stuff, and then someone else just takes that name and runs with it. And then your followers think it's you, and then they start buying from them. We don't want that. So to avoid that, you want to secure your online identity by snagging the name on all social media platforms and also by purchasing the domain name. Number 5 is to secure a legal identity for your business. Now, having a domain name is cute. Having social media handles, that's all right, but it's not really a business until the IRS thinks it's a business, okay? Because they have to come for their coins too. So you have to register your business as an entity. And when you do, you would get an EIN, which is basically like a social security number, but for your business. And you have a couple of options when it comes to registering your business. You could register it as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or you could register it as a corporation. But I'm not a lawyer, okay? So if y'all want to dive deeper into this topic, then let me know in the comment section if y'all think I should bring a lawyer into the membership. And if you haven't signed up for the waitlist yet, you might want to do that in the description box below. Number 6 is to write out a plan for your business. I have a whole video about that on this channel. I'm going to link it right at the end of this video. So when you watch this video to the end, it's going to be right there. And number 7, come close. You need to come close for this one because this one is very important. Whatever industry you choose to launch your business in, make sure you research the regulations and licenses that you need to function in that space. Did you hear that? Or do you want me to say that again? You can't be out here putting chemicals on people's hair without being licensed. A lot of industries are highly regulated, and for good reason. So make sure that you know what the regulations are and that you're following all the due procedures to launch a business in your preferred industry. And number 8 is to set up a sales funnel, pick a launch date, and start that business. Don't be sitting on your ideas. We are totally done with that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, I didn't forget that I promised you a gift at the end of the video. A lot of you have been leaving comments saying, how else can I reach you? How can I send you a voice note? What's your Instagram handle? All right, I'm ready to share now. I'm gonna put the Instagram handle for Launch to Wealth down in the description box. It is launchtowealth.co. You can send me a DM. You can share this video on your Instagram and tag us as well. And I would see you in the next video. Take care.